ajak potato kita pergi. Oh. Oh. Mereka itu faham. Okay. So kira-kira tip 1 ni sudah. Ya, sisa dah buat tip 1. Lepas tu kita buat yang satu dilenyek, dua dilenyek, satu enggak. Okay. Satu itu lagi 3 saja. 3 guna itu, 1 guna water biasa. Yang keempat tu main.
Start from
Sudah belum sikit. For test tube 1, pebble is inserted into H2O2, and second cube, potato cube, insert into the mesh a bit, insert into H2O2, and the fourth one, chop potato inside a distilled water. Activity, based on this, for test tube 1, there's no reaction. Test tube 2, there's good bubbling. Test tube 3 has the extremely active bubbling, the best bubbling. And for chopped potato inside water, there are moderate bubbling. So we take the height of the bubble after 5 minutes. This is the height of the bubble where you can see sometimes the potato also inside here. Just took this for in FM. So this is 0 to 18.1. It's about reaction between H2O2 plus catalyst equal with this product. H2O2 will be mewakili enzyme, which is what we are trying to understand here. The catalyst here is the substrate. So this is the one that we manipulate, where pebble doesn't give any reaction because that is not.
Okay, so for part B, our group are discussing about the effect of temperature on enzyme. So we have taken all the test tubes into 3 different temperatures. So for cold temperature is 2 Celsius, room temperature 25 Celsius, part temperature 100 degrees Celsius. So for the results, we obtain that for cold temperature, the bubble rises for 5 mm, room temperature 8 mm, and hot temperature 1 mm. Cannot process the hydrogen peroxide, which is H2O2. So the best result is for room temperature, which is 8 mm, because it is the nearest to the optimum temperature, which is 27 Celsius.
Going to test how does the pH levels affect the reaction rates of the catalyst. So as you can see here, there are 3 types of test tubes. We get acidic, neutral, and base. The acidic test tube is placed with HCl, neutral distilled water, and base sodium hydroxide. Yeah. So once we have placed the potato cube inside the test tube and placed all these solutions, the acid, neutral, and base solutions, we will use the pH paper to test the pH. So we obtained 5, 7, and 9. So it's correct lah. That is acid 5, neutral 7, and base 9. So then we will left the test tube for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes we use the ruler to measure the height of the bubble column, which is basically, if there is more bubbles, it means that the reaction has occurred faster. So for acidic, the height of the bubble column is 0, neutral 9, and for base 13. So as less activity. And neutral, it also shows activity, but in an alkali base solution if at a higher pH. So that's all. Thank you.